Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakshita and in today's video I am going to do my makeup. It's my rising sign which is Aries. When I searched it on Pinterest, these are some of the results that appeared on my screen. So basically very dark, feminine, heavy eye makeup, like full glam makeup with bold red lip. This can also work if you have brown eyes. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is the moisturizer that I have used because I have really oily skin, so this works well on my skin in summers. Next is Vaseline. It's a no-brainer. Now I'm going to apply these two color correctors. Red one on the for dark circles and the darker areas, and the green one for these red spots on my face. क्या कर दिया कितना मैंने लगा दिया ये मैं तो ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस भी नहीं बोल सकती यहाँ पे कोई बात नहीं चल जाएगा I know I look crazy. I know I look crazy, right? But we are trusting the process here. ये ठीक है. Now I'm going to apply this concealer as my eyeshadow base. See, I told you guys, trust the process. ये सारा भी ठीक हो जाएगा. I have used this, Swiss Beauty concealer in shade 04. First, I am going to apply this shade here on my eyelids. You can take a closer look at this one. Okay. First, I'm going to blend it all over my eyelids because this is going to be the base. Now I'm going with this brown color here and I'm going to apply this on the crease of my eye. Now I'm going to apply this black eyeshadow on my upper lash lines using this brush. It shouldn't be too thick, so make sure of that. This is how your eye should look like after applying this black eyeshadow on your upper lash line. Now I'm going to apply this brown shade right here on my lash lines. जहाँ पे मैंने अभी वो eyeliner वो draw करा है अभी पूरा draw नहीं करा lash line बनाई है वो पूरी black eyeshadow से उसके ऊपर. I'm going to apply this cooler tone brown color right here all over again. It's not giving exactly, like I want to make it even more darker, the eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply this darker shade of brown. Let me see which one will go well. I'm going to apply this brown right here all over my crease once again. Hmm. This is going somewhere. This is going somewhere. Now I'm getting it. You see this? You see this? This looks so good. I'm in love with this already. Now I'm going to apply some kajal on my lower lash line. Give it more, snatched kind of look. Now to make your eyes look even sharper, you have to tightline your upper lash line with kajal. जो मेरे से यहाँ नहीं होगा, मैं जा रही हूँ मिरर में देख कर आती हूँ मैं उसको. And then I'll show you guys. Now the toughest part. I'm going to apply eyeliner. जो मुझे आते ही नहीं है ढंग से लगाना, but still I'm going to try it and I just pray कि भाई मैं पूरा मेकअप ही खराब ना कर दूं जो मैंने अभी तक करा है. I'm going to draw a tiny wing like this here on this eye too, because जो मैंने वो पहले wing बनाया था ना वो आई शेडो एंड वो सही नहीं बना था, तो I removed it and then drew my eyeliner once again. So now it looks like this. I know it looks good already. Yeah. मैं बता नहीं सकती, लाइफ में पहली बार मेरा आईलाइनर का विंग सेम बना है, पहली बार. वरना हर बार मैं या तो यहाँ से निकल जाते, यहाँ से निकल जाते, यहाँ से निकल जाता. फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा विंग इतना परफेक्ट बना है दोनों आईज का. While I was shooting, I didn't realize that my mic has stopped working, so now I'm doing this voiceover over the clips. So next I just applied some mascara on both of my eyes for the volume and the length, because the whole point of me doing this dark feminine makeup is to make my eyes look even more sculpted and sharper. For the inner corners, I went with this champagne highlighter to open up my eyes even more. Now I'm going to apply this foundation. It's 5, so I'm going to apply this one, and this is my first time trying this. और ये मेरे शेड में नहीं था, तो मुझे फेसेस वाला जो मेरे पास दूसरा फाउंडेशन था वो उसके साथ ब्लेंड करके देन अप्लाई करना पड़ा. सो यस, दैट्स हाउ आई मेड इट वर्क.
cola lip combo, because that is not too red and that is not either too brown, because I've never tried something like really bold red, so I'm going to blend this. This is the first time I have tried like bold red lipstick, and it looks so good on me. This is going to be a signature combo from now. She's an icon, she's the moment, she's the legend. Turns out the theory about doing your makeup as a rising sign is true, because tell me why I never tried a red lip combo, and now that I have done it, I feel so confident. I tried any other shades other than like brown or matte or nudes. But this time I tried and it's so good on me. This might be charging for so I have to record it like this. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed shooting this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.